In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trace an image in GIMP. Whether you're working on a creative project or developing your graphic design skills, being able to trace images can be invaluable. And the best part? It only takes a few minutes. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your image in GIMP. To do this, navigate over to the File menu at the top left corner of your screen and select Open. A window will pop up, prompting you to find and select your image file. Once you have your image open in GIMP, we're ready for the next step. Now, you'll need to locate the Paths tool in the toolbox. This tool is represented by the pen icon. Selecting this tool is crucial, as it allows you to create paths around the object you wish to trace in your image. Take your time to find the Paths tool. It's usually over on the left-hand side of your screen. With the Paths tool selected, you'll begin tracing the edges of the object within your image. Click along these edges to create small points, or anchors, which will form the path you want to trace. If you're tracing an object with curves, don't forget that you can click and drag these points to adjust and create smooth, flowing curves. This technique is particularly helpful for objects with rounded edges. Once you've traced around the object and are ready to close the path, simply click on the very first point you created. This action will form a complete path around the object, effectively enclosing it. Next, you'll want to press the Enter key on your keyboard. Doing so will finalize the path you've just created, cementing it as the outline of your object. After finalizing the path, we need to view it. Head up to the Windows menu, then scroll down to Dockable Dialogues and select Paths from the drop-down. Within this panel, you'll see the path you've just created. This is where you can manage and visualize your path more clearly. To turn your path into a visible outline, you'll need to right-click on the path within the Paths dialog. Choose the option Stroke Path. This command allows you to define how you want the actual tracing to appear on your image. You'll then be prompted to choose either stroke line or use a paint tool option from the settings. Select your preferred method and click on Stroke to apply the outline along that path you created. Finally, now that your traced image is ready, it's time to save it. Go back to File, then select Export As from the drop-down menu. Choose the desired file format and location on your device, and save your work. And there you have it. A neatly traced image ready for whatever project you're working on. Enjoy experimenting and developing your design skills further with GIMP. Thanks for watching.